We just need to make a lot of small fin. It's guide the manufacturing process on the copper base. And then we should make this kind of cover. And another component is the inlet and outlet connectors. So after assembly the three part, and then we can use the copper brazing process to make them to get together. And then after the final inspection and the surface treatment, so we can make this kind of cold plant using data center.
Have a look, please. Yeah. And this one. Thank you.
Yeah.
That is really interesting. Whoa.
So we'll have 100 fans per inch. So it's very small and acquire more thermal contact area. Yeah. So it can have more thermal efficiency. Okay.